warm, very, very warm for everybody involved here tonight. In the starting lineup for the Bulgarians, no Dimitar Berbatov, but both Petrovs, Martin of Manchester City and Stilian of Aston Villa were both starters. As for the Welsh, well, nobody over 27 here as John Toshak continues to build for the future. There was a debut for Freddie Eastwood up top and plenty of legs about him. Match commentators Barry Horn and Alan Parry.
Stilian Petrov. Here's Angelov. Last challenge there from Crofts.
He's finding it difficult, Crofts. Lost possession early on, his first touch of the ball. Every time he gets the ball, he looks rushed. And there he's just a little bit off the pace, making that challenge.
The crowd are suggesting that Martin Petrov is going to have a crack here, even though it is a heck of a long way out. And that he does! Hennessy was almost caught by surprise.
Good save. Good save, just skipped up off the pitch.
Davis. Eastwood's been very calm in his layoff so far. He lost that one, but he's made a steady start and he's won it back well here off Wagner. Support arriving. Davis knocks it in early. Oh! And somehow or other, Bale's header was kept out.
Well, by far and away Wales' best moment. Good play. Well done, Fred Eastwood. Gave the ball away, but then had the perseverance and tenacity to win it back. And lovely cross from Davis.
No foul there. And Martin Petrov finds Boyov.
First chance of the night. Again, lots and lots of space appearing in front of the Welsh defence. Too much space. And then look, Boyov getting free on this their right-hand side, and he's gone for glory there, hasn't he?
Stilian Petrov. And again, Telkiski's given it away, yeah. And so too do Wales. Telkiski going for the 1-2 this time and getting in behind the Welsh defence. Oh! And suddenly Hennessy was called into action as Martin Petrov arrived on the scene.
I think that was not quite sure from the angle of looking, but I think that was a very, very good save from Hennessy.
Just a minute of stoppage time. And Martin Petrov gets into a good position here. And he was about to unleash the shot.
Well played, Gabidon again.
And looks like Wales are going to get one final attack of the half as well. Eastwood hasn't seen the ball for a while. He's got Davis up in support. Ricketts arriving down the right. And it opened up for the shot. Oh! Magnificent! Would you believe it? He has now scored on his debut for Wolves in the Carling Cup, on his league debut for Wolves in the Championship, and on his international debut for Wales here in Bulgaria. Not a bad threesome, eh? Not a bad player.
That is something else. And the way that he's, well, not celebrated, it just shows the remarkable confidence of the young man. Look at that for a strike, right inside the near post. No keeper should be beaten there from that position, but the pace and the swerve, absolutely fantastic.
Defended it quite calmly, hooked away by Vaughan.
It was a poor corner, wasn't it?
Wagner. It's a clever turn. Oh! Well, if he got fingertips there, I think he did. It was a brilliant save.
What a save. Absolutely fantastic. Steve Evans' first involvement in the match. He gets rolled on the edge of the box. Just not quite up to the speed of the game yet. Turn and shot. Now that gets a deflection from Gabidon, and Hennessy, I think, I'm pretty sure, got the final touch on that. That looks to me as if it was going to dip under the bar.
There's Martin Petrov. Hennessy equal to it again, and to the follow-up as well. He's having a night to remember, the young keeper.
Brilliant. Brilliant play from Wayne Hennessy. And he just fails to keep the shot out.
Good link-up play between two of the substitutes. Goes back away. Dimitrov in a chance here.
He saved it again. Great play from Bulgaria. And body shape and everything was right for Dimitrov. Position. Opened his body out, and Hennessy was out at his feet. And he's got down and he's pushed it around the post.
Into the final quarter of an hour here in Bourgas. Stilian Petrov. The Aston Villa man finds Popov, the 19-year-old, playing his first international for his country tonight. Here's Angelov back again to Popov, who's the new playboy, I'm told, of Bulgarian football. Got a bit of skill from him there. Yankov, against his own post. Wales have had a let-off.
That is a let-off. Great play from Popov initially, then a miss-kick by the striker. That was the first let-off, and then the mistake. The wild slash of the left boot, I think it was Gavidon. Just so close to scoring. Oh, there's the miss kick. Desperate defending there. I'm not quite sure what Danny Gavidon's trying to do there. Obviously just tries to hook it away.
Here comes Zanev for Bulgaria. Dimitrov. Mishandled that, but still kept it out, Hennessy.
Seemed to go down early there, Wayne Hennessy. I mean, we're scrutinising everything about his performance now because he has been so good tonight. There's the shot, 22 yards. It's gone down early, and it was, I think, the reason why he was having to stretch, I think it was just about to sneak outside the post anyway. But he's dealt with it.
And Wales have dealt with the corner. Crofts heading it away. But the danger hasn't gone yet. Martin Petrov. And slowed it right down again here, Bulgaria. Dimitrov's looked very useful since he came on. Here's Yankov. Midfielder runs out of choices. Now has it back. Sets himself up.
Good effort. Mark Jones again, another little instance there, just maybe showing his lack of experience and his keenness. He's gone to ground a little bit too early and made that shooting opportunity just a little bit too easy. And again, well, I'm not sure that Wayne Hennessy wouldn't have been across there had that been on target.
And it's all over. Victory for Wales. A first ever international goal for debutant Freddie Eastwood has given John Toshak's team a very satisfying victory here tonight. They have beaten Bulgaria by 1-0.
Freddie, that's been quite a week, hasn't it? Debut goals all the way.
Yeah, definitely. It's been a great week. Obviously, I've capped it with a goal again tonight, and a good performance from the team.
How did you find it?
Hot. it was our conditions, to be fair, for us. I think we adapted well. After like first 20 minutes, they had all the play, and then we adapted to it.
Did you find it the step up that you've been predicting in the build-up?
I think it is, to be quite honest. But obviously tonight we got a lot of key players out as well, big players who weren't here tonight. So I'm sure when we get a fully fit side, I'm sure we'd have played as good as them.
That's got to be a pretty big moment in the career, that, hasn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Obviously, it's a debut goal for my country, and it don't get much bigger than that, I don't think. So obviously, I'm delighted.
Have you enjoyed the experience?
Yeah, definitely.
This is a result that will surprise people, isn't it?
Well, I mean, I'd say again, Bill Shankly used to say the only thing that surprises me in football, boys, is that people are surprised. And, you know, they look at it, and obviously they look at the two sides, and they think that it looks a home banker, particularly in view of the fact that we had so many of our players missing. But no, they did very, very well, in fairness to them. They worked hard, and we took this game on. It was 38 degrees here this evening. It'll be hot in Bratislava, and it'll be hot in Cyprus as well. And you know, that was why we took this game. And when you see what happened out there this evening, particularly from younger lads, 3 players over 23 years of age, then you know it makes it all worthwhile.
Thanks, John.
Okay, thank you.
He looks as happy as we've seen him, Trevor, for some considerable time. It's a good performance from Wales, wasn't it?
Well, it just shows you don't need big